I haven't got, just cutting the straight tape, trying to be careful, because I know that the custom box is in here, and even though I already have one, I like it, so I want to have two, because I use it as a shelf. If you want to see my other little fleurs though, like before this one, then I didn't cut this box today. Then check out that video if you want. Please tell me I didn't cut this. Alright, doesn't look like I cut the custom box. I'm opening this upside down. Never mind, never mind. They just gave me like a gift card, but it's not. It doesn't have any money on it. I might give that to Ed. But wow. This is my 9th pair of Converse that I own currently, like not in my life. And I still don't have enough. So basically same old box. I still really like it though. Same little bag. I got more excited last time, but that's just because like it's not as shocking to me because I knew it came in a custom bag and box. I didn't know that before. Like, I'm real excited. I'm just really tired from work. So, oh, I didn't know the inside of the little star flower was like bright orange. A bit duller than I thought the color was going to be. Like, I thought it would be a little bit brighter, but that's okay because I already didn't have pink shoes and I didn't have orange shoes. Now I have both in one shoe. And then they have the flower bottom. I'm also conflicted on the monochrome because on one hand it won't get as messed up as easy, like I won't have to worry about it as much, but on the other hand, like it doesn't look as cute with 2 laces rather than 3. But that's fine. I literally sound like I'm complaining, but I'm not. I haven't even used the 3rd pair of laces. I'm using the orange and the shoe. The logo on the inside is like colorful now. It's not like that on the other one. That's so cute. The laces are thicker. Don't know if I like that or not, but it's alright. I don't know if I want to use the pink laces or the white laces. I figured out. Yeah, see, I thought the pink was going to be like this pink. And the orange was going to be like the orange in here. But, like, or the orange on the bottom of the previous shoes. But, like, it still looks pretty neat. We have a visitor. Let me move the box away. Hi, Pop. What's wrong? Do you need food? Do you need water? Do you need to go out? I'll take you in a second. It kind of feels softer on the inside. I'm just plopping my foot in this. Oh my god, are these too small? They do feel a little bit tighter though. They're like softer on the inside, but they're tighter. Fitting. They might be like thicker or something. Or it might just be because this is the first time I'm putting them on. It could be because my feet are swollen from work. It could be many factors. It could be the thick. Did I already say it could be the thicker laces? So what it looks like on. We'll go ahead and throw on the other bad boy. And we'll call it a vid, and then I might insert some footage of these next to the yellow ones.
Anyways, let's get to what they look like on feet. Alright guys, so here's tonight's outfit.
The end. So thanks for watching this rambly unboxing. You know to buy, subscribe, see you later all you haters.